Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can allow or don't allow apps making changes to calendars on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Screen Time. Then we go down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Next, go down and tap on Calendars. In here, put in the screen time passcode. And then you can choose either allow changes or don't allow changes. And so disallow changes locks the settings shown below and prevent new apps from using your calendars. So select one of the options and then tap on the back key to go back to settings or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.